In today's tutorial, I'm going to analyze this particular platform called TELUS International. And I've been working in this platform for some times. And I can tell you and practically tell you that this platform pays very well. They pay to your PayPal, to your Payoneer account, and other payment method that is easily accessible. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to tell you how the platform works and the possibility that is in this platform. This platform is best for students, working class, and those who normally do part-time, and also those who don't have work at all, that also believe on remote job. If you watch my video I made about Toluca before, you understand that TELUS International and Toluca is like a similar platform. But in TELUS International, there has a lot of job or a lot of opportunity that you can make money online remotely. So I'm going to go down to the video to tell you how it works. And if you can see how it's displaying on the screen, you will discover that a lot of opportunity is in this platform, be it you are a teacher or a science guru. Thank you for today. If you are new in this platform, subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification button, like my video so that you get notified anytime I upload a video like this. Thank you. Let's continue. So we are going down now. You can discover that in this platform, this platform covers what 104 plus country worldwide. 104 plus country worldwide. Be it African, you are eligible to apply. And you can see that this platform have paid out $750 million. That is not a small money. $750 million. This is the amount that the platform have paid out. And you can see here we have active experts. These are people that are currently working in this platform, and they are experts when it comes to working in TELUS International. And let's go down again. You can see that you can work remotely and anywhere, be it in your room, be it in the street, be it anywhere, you can work remotely. Even if you are in your office, you are a teacher, that little spare time that you have, use and work in this platform and get a side pay apart from the one that you are being paid from your place of work. Thank you. Let's continue again. You can discover that we have get paid for your skills that sharp AI. See, in this platform, it's all about you training AI. How did you train AI? Before an AI will be that smart enough for other people to analyze their product, to check their intelligence, to get result, like browse, ask an AI question, AI is going to give you a full answer, more than what Google can even give to anyone. For example, you ask an AI to write a script, AI is going to do it. You ask an AI to write an essay, it's going to do it. Generate image, is going to do it. Video is going to do it. For an AI to have all those information, is being tutored by someone like you and I, the remote worker, those who sit at home and work in their platform and get paid. And if you look down again, you see that flexible opportunity to match your schedule. They are trying to tell you that be it midnight, daytime, or any spare time you have at all, the platform is scheduled to work in your own spare time. Let's continue again. This platform is a very good platform that you can make money online if you understand how to work remotely. If you look to the screen, you will discover that we have something like find relevant jobs, discover work you love and apply in second. 2. Onboard with ease. Apply for a job and qualify to get started. 3. Work anywhere, anytime. Work flexible with a schedule built around your life. 4. Competitive paid, fast payout, get rewarded for your effort on time, every time. This platform is a great platform. If you can look on the screen again, you will see that we have top opportunities available. We have all job, math, science, engineer, medicine, and law. It doesn't mean that you must be a graduate to do this. You understand? before you start thinking that since math, science, engineering, medicine, and law is included, it means you must be a graduate. No. And they are not going to ask you to submit your CV. You can only submit your CV if you need to, or if you have it to submit. And if you don't have it to submit, there are still a lot of jobs that you can get paid even you don't have a CV. All you need to do is just for you to be smart. If you are smart enough, working in this platform is a good way for you to start. So let's look at some of the jobs that are in this platform and that are paying right now. We have job opportunity for physical AI analyst, sorry, AI community. If you look here, you see that it's part-time job and they can pay $2 per hour. Remote job, and it's remote job and English global. If you view here, you apply on the job, and when you get hired, you start working remotely. If you look at this side, we have what? Full stack AI logic analyst, intermediate, AI community. And it's also a part-time job and $25 per hour. Remote job and it's English global. If you look, I don't need to be reading the job title one after the other, but you can see here we still have this one is still $25 and it's still part-time job, $25 and it's still part-time job. Just bring your skills here and apply. And if you see here, we have discover more opportunities. Discover more opportunities. Let me take you guys to AI and let's see what AI gave to us. Gemini AI. Let's see what AI gave to us so that at least you understand how the job is being structured. Me, I've been working in this platform. It's a platform that I've been working in for a very long time now, and I can proudly tell you that this platform pays very well. So let's go to the AI. This is Gemini AI, and you can see here I asked an AI about a TELUS International, and it's trying to brief me what the platform does. You can see here it's telling me that number one, we have a general search and media evaluation. General search and media evaluation. If you see here, the first thing is trying to tell us this, that personalized internet assessor and rater. You review online search results, web page, and text to grade their accuracy. For example, you will see a web page. Someone is going to build a website, but that person don't want to promote that website. Yes, he wants people to analyze that website, tell him or her how that website accuracy is going to be like when he promotes the website, or if anything is wrong with the website, or if people trying to browse on that website or searching on that website is working perfectly or not. Even Toluca website, sorry, even Toluca platform also have this particular opportunity, job opportunity. So let's look down. We have media search analyst. As you can see, we have media search analysts, and also we have online ad readers. In these online ad readers, you discover that they are going to publish an ad. For example, you for your own job review now, you are going to analyze that ad. Any ad you see, it's your own job to tell them, is it image app, is it banner ad, is it advertising, or any types of app, or is it test app? Are you getting me? If you can analyze and tell them a review that concern that ad, they are going to pay you for that. And number two, we have AI prompts engineering and language training. For an AI to know how to speak all languages or understand all languages, AI is being tutored or is being given all those information by we, the remote workers, by you and I who apply on their platform, give them our own language, be it Chinese, be it Indian, be it Russian, any language you know at all that AI can speak professionally is being learned by you and I, the remote workers. So let's continue down again. We have what? Under this AI prompt engineering and language training, we have AI prompt writers and evaluators. For an AI to be able to write a script, write an essay, article, is being controlled or is being learned by us. What I'm trying to tell you is that we are the one teaching AI to do that. AI don't have the ability to learn all those things themselves. We teach them to do that. I don't want this video to be too long. But before you apply, just go straight to an AI. Since other people have teach them how to do it, go to an AI, search on how to work remotely using TELUS International. How to work remotely using TELUS International. And AI is going to give you everything you need to know. Even if you are using ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude AI, or any AI you know at all, it's going to give you everything you need to know on how to work remotely using TELUS International. What I do in this platform is search on a platform, look for anything that is working. If it pays me, I bring it to you guys so that at least you guys will benefit from me also. That is the only way I can give to the world. Thank you. If you love what I do in this channel, subscribe to my channel and also remember to turn on the notification button to get notified anytime I upload video like this. Thank you.